How to download a message or email on Gmail. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download any message or email easy and fast. First thing, go to Gmail. As you can see, this is my inbox. Now choose the email that you want to download. For example, let's choose this one. Now let's say that you want to download this. All what you have to do is click here on those three dots. And here you will find many options, but all what you have to do is simple. Go down until you find download message. Click on it and the message is downloaded successfully. Now let's open it and click OK. And the message is ready on your Outlook or your any program. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.